Hello everybody, my name is Megan. If you're new, welcome for joining, welcome back. So I decided to finally order Boxycharm. Never done it before, so I was very excited, and honestly, I ordered towards the end of November, which it's currently Thanksgiving, so happy Thanksgiving if you're celebrating it. Obviously you won't see this until Monday, which is going to be the 30th, but I hope you had a great Thanksgiving. If you don't celebrate Thanksgiving, I hope you had a great Thursday. So I honestly, when I was ordering, I didn't know if I was getting the November or the December box, and I still don't know because I didn't bother to look. So here we are. Let's open it up and find out what's in my little boxy. All right, so I opened it up and I have a little card here. It just says Boxycharm Harvest, and again, I'm not seeing a month on it, but I assume that since it's harvest, not like something more wintry, it's probably a November box. So we're gonna go ahead and open this up, and I guess I'll start with the smaller items. I have an INT lip oil. I think the brand is just called INT Cosmetics. But the lip oil looks like this. It's a reddish color. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. I don't have anything to like wipe my hand with. This might go downhill real fast. But it's one of the little squishy applicators, which I'm not necessarily a huge fan of, but I don't know, they're fine sometimes. So it's a very, very sheer tint. It's right here on my hand. But I mean, it feels nice. I'm definitely gonna give it a shot. I don't know if it's gonna be like a favorite of mine or anything like that, but I'm interested in it. So that's the first item. The second item is this Pero Primero primer. Obviously, don't speak Spanish, and it's from Cosmetics, which is a bilingual brand, I think. So this is their long wear sticky pigment base. So it's just an eyeshadow pigment primer, glitter primer, that sort of a thing. I have the NYX one, but I really don't use it all that often, and the NYX one's getting really old. I remember really liking it, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and my declutter is coming up next week. It got split into 2 videos, but you'll see kind of what I do there. But spoiler alert, I am decluttering that one because it is really old, so I'm excited to have something to replace it with. Next I have the Milk. This is their waterproof Kush mascara, which I specifically said I did not need any more mascaras because I have so many mascaras. But here they did send me a mascara. I can't get this open. I'm not too worried about it, but it's just like the black waterproof mascara. Hi. My cat just woke up and he's giving me some like weird looks. Okay. So I wasn't like, I like the way this makes my lashes look. I've tried the mini of it. I don't love the way it wears on me, but that might just be because like I wasn't quite using enough, or I may have just been wearing it for too long. I have no idea. So I'm interested to give this another shot because like I said, I do like the way that it originally looks. I'm just don't know how I feel about how it wears. So then I also have this Volition Snow Mushroom Water Serum. Let's open this bad boy. There we go. The packaging is very pretty. It's like one of those serums with the little button on top. I'm kind of scared to smell it. Oh, it doesn't smell like anything. Just gonna put just the smallest little drop of it on the back of my hand. I am a huge ooh, that feels really nice. I really love serums and stuff like that, so I'm very excited to get this in my basket or my box because this is not something that I would normally go out and buy, like a snow mushroom water serum. But it feels like it's gonna be really nice. I'm very excited about that. And then, I probably should be telling you guys the retail prices for these. So the Snow Mushroom Serum is $62 retail. The Milk Mascara is $24. The lip oil is $11, and the Alamar Cosmetics primer is $15. And then lastly, I have a mini, not a mini palette, but like the 5-pan palettes from Natasha Denona. And this is the Peak palette. I'm pretty sure it's a Boxycharm exclusive. Yes. So unfortunately you can't just go buy this. But this retails or would retail for $48. It is just gorgeous. I love these colors. That's not something I would typically like gravitate towards, but since I do have it, I'm very excited to give it a shot. So that is that. And then also they had like a first timer like perk, I guess, where I got an extra item for free. And so they sent me the Queen palette from Eloise, which the outside looks like this. And the inside, ooh, okay. It's this very colorful pinky purpley toned palette. There we go. So yeah, this I'm not sure what the retail price would be because it's not like listed on the card. However, it's really pretty. I like it, and hopefully I can get a lot of use out of that. And then, so yeah, that's everything. I think the total for this box is $160, 15, 16, yeah. So the total retail for this box was $160, and I did do the like smallest $25 box. So that is everything that I got this month, and honestly I am moving and I'm probably going to cancel my subscription after this month. I just wanted to give it a shot. But yeah, overall I'm very excited about this. The few things that I think I could probably live without would be like the Milk makeup mascara, just because I have more mascaras I don't know what to do with right now. This lip oil I'm interested in, but I wouldn't purchase it on my own, and same with the pigment primer. But even like just these two items by themselves surpassed the amount of the box for me, because those two together were like $110. And like I said, I only spent $25. So overall, I would say that this went fairly well. And yeah, that is going to be everything. If you enjoyed, I would appreciate you giving it a thumbs up down below and maybe leaving a comment if you felt so inclined. If you would like to see more of me in the future, I have declutters coming up, I have project pans coming up, I have, you know, makeup inventory, shop my stashes, a lot of fun things planned. Go ahead and subscribe down below. If you don't want to, I understand, to each their own. Not sure why you don't want to subscribe in the first place, but anyway, here we are. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video.